Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can view your presentations and diagrams on Coggle in the preview. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your flowchart or diagram on Coggle. And what you want to do, guys, is click into this button in the top right corner, present and review. After that, you will see we'll see your diagram from the beginning as a presentation. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into the given knot, for example, or label to expand or to see and view these connections, other labels and branches. And that way navigate through your diagram through the presentation mode. And that's basically it. Now, you may do this, for example, or end the presentation by clicking into this button in the top right corner to return to the editing tab or menu here. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.